Okay, so what exactly is the Big Bang Theory? So this theory proposes that the universe began 14 billion years ago, 12 to 14 billion years ago, as a small, dense, and hot collection of elementary particles that has expanded into what we see today. Now, what I recommend that you have as we go through all of these different steps is to have your own Big Bang chart. So here is one that I found off the internet, and I know that you can't read it, but when you can, make this picture really as large as you want so you can read all the captions on it. Otherwise, what you can do is go to the internet, type in Big Bang chart, and then go to images, and you're going to find dozens of these types of charts. And so just find one that makes sense to you, and then you can be following along on it as we go through all of these different parts of the Big Bang. So how do we know that the Big Bang occurred? So we're going to try to give you some evidence that showed that everything began as a very dense object that was very high in temperature and energy and made of these fundamental particles. So first we know that according to Hubble's experiments, he showed that the galaxies are moving away from Earth, and that is because of the expansion of space and time. So therefore, if we run the clock backwards, that would mean that everything should be coming back together again. Okay, then the universe today has a temperature of about 3 Kelvin. If the universe was smaller in the past, then that means everything is going to get more concentrated, and then the temperature is going to start to go up. Okay, then from our previous lesson, we learned that at higher temperatures, you have more elementary particles, and also the forces of nature go together. So we think then that after the Big Bang, or just shortly after the Big Bang occurred, then the universe was very compact, it was very hot, and it was made of these elementary particles. So, what caused the Big Bang? Well, you notice that this is a big blank, and you'll notice that if you read your textbook, they just say that the Big Bang happened. And then they just go on from there to explain what happened after the Big Bang occurred. I'm going to do the same thing. So, I'm just going to say that the Big Bang occurred, and we're going to talk about what happened after the Big Bang. Now, if you want to know what caused the Big Bang or what happened before the Big Bang, good luck. Okay, because if you go to the internet and you type in what happened before the Big Bang, you're going to get lots and lots of different theories as to what caused the Big Bang to happen and what it was like before the Big Bang. So I will let you, on your own, just do some research on that and come to your own conclusions on what caused the Big Bang and what happened before the Big Bang. So that's pretty easy. All right, so let's take a break, and when we come back, we're going to talk about what was it like just after the Big Bang occurred.